So, when I was younger, I must have made this is me presentation. I'll show you real quick. Yeah, I'll do it. This is little me. And in there, it says, I want to get a Bachelor of Mechatronics at a university. Check. Graduated last week. And also it says, where is it? I got the first 50 out of 50 for 5 years in technology. On that, don't mind my 3D printer gone, bro. This was the first 50 out of 50 in 5 years. This right here, it was my Ying and Yang ninja clock. So, my thought is, let's redesign it and let's 3D fucking print it. Right now I'm doing Flexi T-Rex, Flexi Rexy. And yeah, so let's design that shit. Alright, so I've been designing this yin and yang ninja style, and it's coming along nicely. It's coming along. Literally use like the fact that that is the diameter, this is the radius, divided by 8, I believe, and yeah, I'm getting there. And I'm trying to like do a better version of this. Now my thought is, I don't need the fucking numbers. There is 12 of the points, and I kind of fuck with it being kind of triangular-esque. I don't know, just liking it. Now, I've just set up the fucking thing, and it's silent. Since when were these fuckers silent? This one was so loud, I had to take the battery out, and I didn't actually use it. The fact that this is silent means, like, bro, I'm gonna use this. Because, like, I could not sleep with the it's fucking annoying. But, like, I don't know, this is just gonna be, like, perfect. Oh my god. And, like, yeah, I can't read analog, so I have to use this bad boy. Oops. It's now fine, but, like, fuck. I really need to learn analog. But it looks sick. It looks cool. Oh my god, imagine if I put, like, a digital display. Anyway, yes, very cool. Okay, I got to a certain point where I got a bit stuck, and I was like, do I do it in 2 separate parts, or what do I do? I'm like, fuck it. I'm just gonna do it as one part, because I just feel like it would be better. So, I've done cut sweeps, and this is what I've got to. So, I don't have it coloured right now, but it would basically be like this. And what I'm going to do is just to test it, because I wasn't too sure if the dimensions are correct. I have literally just eyeballed it, and I feel like the fillet on the corner is right. So I'm just going to 3D print this real quick. And I do it is just have like a little cutout, and then it can just slot into the back. And the way it attaches to the wall, that's a TBD. Or maybe it just doesn't touch the wall. Maybe it just sits there. I feel like that would look pretty cool as well. But yeah, coming along nicely. I don't know. I just really like the triangles, and I don't know, it's looking really sleek. And when you compare it to this one, it's just like, feels like such an upgrade. But I like the minimalist look of the new one. It's coming along nicely. Alright, moment of truth. So, off the build plate. Boom. Fuck, I love that plate, the new one. It's so good. Alright, let's have a look. Sweet. Oh my god, it could not be more perfect. And I've got an idea. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm not going to have any cutout, just a cutout for the diameter of this. And then this grippiness will make it so it grips to the other side. Where are you? So I'll just put an extrude cut through here. And then what I'll do is work out in regard to hanging it on the wall or something. This will just be an attachment that goes around the, what's it called? Around the battery container. Because then, right now, I can have it without one, I can have it with one, I can have a hook so it can hook onto the wall, I can do whatever. And it's just dependent on whoever's hanging it up or lack thereof hanging it up. And fuck, I can even make it so it sits on the desk if I want to. And I just really like doing it this way. And fuck, my eyeballing. What is that? What is that? That is fucking, I'm elite. I'm elite with the sauce. So, further updates. I was difficult with the colouring on Bambu Lab Studio. So what I did was I made it so the cut, what are they called? The sweep cut sweeps were on both sides. And that meant when actually doing the colouring, it was a lot easier. So yeah, now it's just slicing that damn boy. And it's only going to be a 2.5 hour print. Pretty sick. Holy shit, it's done. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's so fucking... Okay, so... It's kind of hot, but she'll be right. Oh, no, it's really hot. Okay, that's better. Let's go. Oh my god, this plate is so good. Oh my god, it came out so perfectly. Oh my god, look at it. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, look. Oh my gosh. Oh god, I need to set it up. Okay, so this is her. Moment of truth, I guess. Oh, let's actually take this through. Which, by the way, what the fuck? I'm just a better player. Alright, let's put this bad boy in. Oh! Fits like a glove. I think. Yeah, no, it does. Okay. Yeah, because I need to do that. Okay, yeah. Alright, now let's get the hour hand, I think it is. I'll be back. Alright, we've got the gold mat on. So next we put the hour hand on. That seems pretty squashed down. Next is the minute hand, I think. I'm a bit dumb when it comes to analog. And the last one is the second hand. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Now. Oh my god. Look. Okay, now. Let's put this bad boy in. Shit. I just bent that fucking thing. Oh my god, oh my god. Okay, now let's make sure that that is the top. That's the top. Oh my god. Oh my god, look. Wait. Y'all can't like shoot. Oh. I just like limped out that hour hand. Oh my god. You can't see the second hand. Just wait till it to have a couple more seconds, and then you'll... Oh, it's coming in view, and she's there. That is so cool, and it doesn't make a sound because of the new kits. Hey, let's go, bro. Holy crap. This is such an upgrade. I love it. I'm so excited. Yay. Let's go. This is why I print, man. This is why I print.